Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the best method to integrate Trello with Jira. This integration helps streamline your project management and keeps your tasks and updates synchronized across both platforms. First, open your Trello board, then go to the Power Up section at the top of your board and click Add Power Ups. In the search bar, type Jira and select the Jira Power Up. Click Add to install it on your board. Next, click Settings, then edit Power Up settings. Here you'll see an option to connect to Jira. Open your Jira account, copy your Jira URL from the browser's address bar, and paste it into the field in Trello. Click Connect to Jira. After that, click Authorize to grant the necessary permissions for Trello to communicate with Jira. Once authorization is complete, your Trello and Jira boards will start syncing automatically, reflecting tasks and updates in both platforms. Finally, close the Power Ups menu. Your integration is complete. This setup improves project tracking, enhances team collaboration, and keeps your workflow organized and efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.